welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a little Sephora haul, or just to show you what I got recently for my makeup product. Then I will just do my makeup. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and let's get started. First, I want to show you sun protection products because summer is coming. I got SPF glow stick with sun protection. This is something my friend recommended it to me, and I just wanted to check this out myself and see. Yeah. So yeah, basically it looks like jelly stick. I think it's gonna be good when you go to the beach or just want to put extra protection during the day and just, go like this. Also from the same brand, I got just a sun protection cream with a glow finish. And I got it in a smaller version because I will try it for the first time, so I didn't wanna risk with a bigger one if I don't like it, so yeah. That's why I took two products. Okay. I also got multi-peptide lash and brow serum because I decided, not maybe because of my brows, but more because of my lashes, I wanted to try something to give them extra attention and care, and I decided I'm gonna try this brand because I had some products from them and I like them. I believe it's like transparent. Oh, okay, with a little brush. And it was like a 2-in-1. So those are the products from skincare, and the rest is makeup. I also got products to try, which is very nice. I already had some products from Hourglass, but I never tried this airbrush primer, so we'll see. Okay, first of all, I needed a concealer, and I got two. One from Tarte brand and one from Charlotte Tilbury. It was a risk to choose a color, but seems good. One's supposed to be more covering. Honestly, I don't like this bake effect. I like to be glowy and make this natural look makeup. We'll see. It might be a little bit bright, but maybe around the eyes it's gonna be good. So next, from Charlotte brand, I got bronzer wand. Everyone been using it, and I decided, okay, I'm gonna try it myself. And also, I just chose the color not randomly, just on the internet, so I didn't really know how it's gonna be. We'll see. Also from the same brand, I got blush. And I decided I'm gonna go with Cherry color blush. I saw they have more pinky, but I think for my skin tone I just need to go with warmer tones. I already like that color on this box. Can't wait to try it. I've been looking for good brows gel because my brows like to be on every side. I tried to already put them in a place when I apply cream during my skin routine, and I decided I'm gonna try gel for brows. I also have this one from NYX. I almost finished it, but I didn't like the final effect. Okay, next I got lip pencil from Chanel. Nice. So it has like two sides. One is for contouring and the other to, I believe, smoother the edges. I wanted to try Chanel pencil for eyes, and I got it in, it's called Brune Teak color. I didn't want the black one. I have the black one. I wanted to have dark brown, so it will look more natural when I will do my makeup. Here we have mascara. I've been waiting a very long time I've been thinking if I should buy it or no for years. I finally got it, and it's called Better Than Sex Mascara from Too Faced brand. I got it in a smaller version because I don't put it that often on my eyes, but when I do, I want to have it not glued together. I like to have this brushed effect, and I hope it's gonna be that one. Before I start, I will just somehow tie my hair. I'm gonna start from face cream. It's face vitamin cream. I use it before applying my makeup. It's from Bobbi Brown, and I feel that my skin feels more ready, moisturized for makeup. Okay, my skin is prepared, and I will use Forever Fluid from Dior. I use just my hand, and I like to apply it as a cream. I have a feeling when I apply it this way that it gives more natural look. The skin color is more balanced. It's a way I like to do it. At least recently. Just try to apply it on all over the face. So maybe right now you don't see a big difference, but it feels different for me. And right now I'm gonna try this concealer. I'm gonna wash my hands first. I will use this to apply the concealer. I want to try both of this. Not directly under the eyes, but like this. I'm trying it for the first time, so I hope it will not disappoint me. It does not supposed to cover in your skin. It should give this glowy, moisturized effect, but cover it a little bit. That's why I decided to put it on my PMs because there are almost nothing right now. I like it. And it's directly under the eyes. I'm gonna try this one. It looks a bit too bright. Maybe it's gonna be good result at the end, like bright effect under the eyes. I like it a lot. It's a little bit brighter under the eyes, I can see it. And I'm afraid it's gonna be too bright when I tan my body and my face a little bit. It's good. Next, we're gonna try this wand. I want to show you here. Whoa! I feel excited. I thought it's gonna be a little bit brighter, but don't worry. You can see which area I like to contour. Now it actually gives very natural effect. I like it. I'm gonna blend it extra with a brush. I think before we're gonna do blush on my cheeks, I will move to my eyes first and check this pencil. Don't worry if it's not perfect. I'm gonna blend it a little bit as well. This looks good. It's very soft line. Okay, I'll blend it more now. So now I'm not a professional makeup artist. I just like to mess with makeup a little bit, try new things. I'm gonna leave it like this. I want to apply a little bit of powder. I have the one from Hourglass. Just here, here, here. And yeah, that's it, literally. I like to put powder before gel. It's just how I like it. Okay, let's try. I love it. There is no white finish issue. It's all the time transparent. And I don't need to worry if I put too much of this gel on my eyebrows or no, because you will not see it. Very nice. I like this product. Next, it's blush wand. Okay, I will just put a little bit. Well, okay, let's see. I'm not sure the effect. Maybe one more here and here. I think I'm gonna apply it with this hand. Maybe I should apply less of it. I'm not sure if that's not too pinky. It's definitely a lot. I mean, too much for me at least. Personally, I like blush on my cheeks. It feels extra cute and I like to do it here in the area where naturally sun would touch my skin. But I'm gonna definitely try to fix it with some concealer. I don't like that much. Blend it more together. I will finish it with my blush, which I have for a long time, but it gives like a little glowy finish. It feels like summer already, this makeup. I could go like this, I think. But I want to try mascara. I don't want to put this too much. It feels like a long makeup, but honestly, I think it's only because I'm trying new products and I prefer to be extra careful with applying them. And usually it doesn't take this long to just do my makeup, but wow, those lashes looks perfect. Okay, I like to clean my lips before applying anything else. I don't know if you do it or no, but just don't judge me because of some of my habits. They works for me. Okay. I right now applied this. When I was buying it, I thought it's gonna be like a lip balm, which makes your lips look a little bit fuller, bigger, juicier, whatever. But it's more like I would say a serum for your lips to make it feel this way, as I mentioned. It's not really a balm. I use it like before I apply anything else on my lips. And I'm gonna go with this lip pencil right now. It's gorgeous. If you only could feel how I apply it, how smooth it feels, and how gentle it is. I love it. And right now I'm gonna apply a little bit of lipstick, which is very moisturizing as well. I think I just need to use to this pencil and feel it more, but so far I just love it. I've been using Whirl lip pencil from MAC. Both are good, but I think that comparing like the feeling, this is smoother and more moisturized, and this is more like for a matte finish, and when you put it on your lips it's a bit more difficult. I'm gonna finish it with your lip maximizer, and that is the final effect of my makeup. I liked everything I got. I think I tried everything. Okay, so this is the final results. I am very satisfied with every new product I got. Maybe I would get concealer from Charlotte Tilbury in a little bit darker tone or more warm tone, but beside that everything was great, and I love the final effect of the makeup. It looks girly, but not too much, not too less. I feel sexy and confident. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss my future videos, and see you in the next one. Bye!